Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Need a quick chocolate brownie fix? This is it guys. 2 minutes chocolate brownie in a bowl. It's super easy, chocolatey, and super delicious. Let me show you how to make it. Let's get started. In a medium bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm using whole milk, guys. We are also adding in 2 tablespoons of oil. We're gonna also add in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. In goes 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm using unsweetened cocoa powder, guys. We are also adding in 3 tablespoons of sugar, pinch of salt. Then we're gonna give it a good mix. Once everything is mixed well, stir in 1 tablespoon of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now pour the batter into the bowl. Then sprinkle with a few additional chocolate chips over the top. Now microwave on high for 2 minutes. The brownie will be done when it's puffed and pulled away from the bowl. There you have it guys. 2 minute chocolate brownie in a bowl. This recipe is one of my favorite. It's simple, quick, moist, and delicious. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye.